Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors, and we're here on this lovely Friday afternoon in June. And just arrived to my office is a new medallion. This is a compass medallion. We're going to be installing this in a house in Gloucester, right on the ocean. It's got some great woods in it. We've got quarter sawn, white oak. We've got mahogany, maple, and walnut. And look at the detail that they did. This is all laser cut. They do an excellent job at my source for getting this. It's done out in Wisconsin, and it's not too expensive. They're relatively easy to drop into a floor, and they really give a real great look in a home, especially a nautical theme, compass theme for the ocean house. And I think that we're going to be putting this in probably in a couple of weeks. So once we get it in, we'll go up and take a look at it and see how it looks in the floor. But this is Chris from Duffy Floors, and we do medallions. If you would like a medallion or a border or an inlay put in your floors, give us a call. We're at 781-395-3418.